Cybersecurity for beginners involves understanding the fundamental concepts, best practices, and tools to protect digital assets from various cyber threats. Here's a beginner's guide to cybersecurity. 1. Understand the basics. Cyber threats. Learn about common cyber threats, such as malware, phishing, ransomware, and social engineering. Attack vectors. Understand how attackers gain unauthorized access through methods like exploiting vulnerabilities, password attacks, and more. 2. Secure password practices. Create strong, unique passwords for each account. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information, for example, birthdays and passwords. 3. Update software regularly. Keep operating systems, applications, and antivirus programs up to date to patch security vulnerabilities. 4. Enable two-factor authentication to FA. Add an extra layer of security to your accounts by enabling two-FA whenever possible. 5. Be cautious with emails. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Verify the legitimacy of emails, especially those requesting sensitive information. 6. Use antivirus software. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to detect and remove malicious software. 7. Backup important data. Regularly back up your data to an external hard drive or a secure cloud service to prevent data loss in case of ransomware or other incidents. 8. Learn about firewalls. Understand the role of firewalls in monitoring and controlling network traffic. Use firewalls to block unauthorized access. 9. Educate yourself on social engineering. Be aware of social engineering tactics used by attackers to manipulate individuals into divulging confidential information. 10. Explore online security resources. Read blogs, articles, and watch videos from reputable sources to stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and threats. 11. Join online communities. Participate in cybersecurity forums or communities to learn from others, ask questions, and share experiences. 12. Take online courses and certifications. Consider taking beginner-friendly online courses or certifications in cybersecurity to gain structured knowledge. 13. Practice ethical hacking. Learn about ethical hacking and practice in a controlled environment to understand how vulnerabilities are exploited and how to secure systems. 14. Stay informed. Regularly follow cybersecurity news and updates to stay informed about new threats and best practices. 15. Develop a security mindset. Cultivate a mindset that prioritizes security in your online activities. Be proactive in identifying and mitigating potential risks.